Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with my daughter,
Sherry.
and we are going to open up the Creative Notions. This is what it came like, big old box. So we're going to take a peek inside, and it came early because it actually said it was coming on Monday, and it came yesterday, which was Saturday. So let's open it up.
Sorry, they're both staring at you or me over there.
That's all right. So we'll look at this in a minute. So first we have our goodie, which is a cute little spoon with some cocoa. That's a darling spoon.
Is it edible?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's not.
Okay, so here we go.
It's too late to be added to the menu. The cheesy broccoli casserole.
It's not too late.
Yes, it is, because I only have, ta-da! I only have frozen broccoli.
Oh.
I mean, I'm sure you can use frozen broccoli. There's nothing wrong with it, but
Okay, we have
you can use some of your rice.
I was just saying I had too much rice in the cabinet. Okay, so we have a feather star table topper and a bow cozy. The table topper finished side is 30.5 by 30.5. Looks like this. That's what that would look like. Everybody knows what a bow cozy looks like. Looks like that.
It was on the front part of that paper, too.
Oh, yeah, it was up at the top. Duh, it was up at the top.
At the top.
And it's got directions for the fabric that they've given us. 14 or is it 15? Let's see. 14 pages. All right. On how to make it. All right, let's set that aside. They've got a, literally, they have a stamped postcard. Okay. And it's about your bill. So the billing is what this is about. It's changing your billing to every other month. Also, it is opting out of your billing. So it's being canceled. This is important for those that are deciding. And then we have bill options, which they have literally put.
Wow.
Oops, I've got a couple
Yeah,
of
so
things.
you got more than one there.
So they have it here on the paperwork. And it says you can pay bi-monthly, which is every other month. Or they're actually offering a discount if you subscribe to one of the following options. So be sure and read this flyer that comes in there. Okay. And then it's showing the bag updates for the rest of the year. That's this year, 2023. Want to take that off?
Yes, I'm
Curious to see what it looks like.
Yes, it's so cute. It's a little paper clip. It has a little heart on it. You all probably didn't see that very well, but... Oh, look how tiny it is. Sorry.
It's all right.
It's cute.
And then it has things that are happening, that are changes, and they also have things starting in January of 2024. And let me pause this a minute and I'll read it real quick. Hold on one second. I read it real quick, and so I'm just going to give you the highlights of it. So starting in January of 2024, they're bigger and better, either a bag or it's a box. They're going to ship 6 out in a year. So you're going to have one in February, April, June, August, October, and December. And they're going to ship every other month. Okay? So be sure and read this yellow piece of paper that came in your box if you've got the subscription. If you have any questions, please do not go to Facebook and ask the question. You want to call them specifically with any kind of questions about billing, boxes, or anything, because your question will get lost on the Facebook page, okay? Because the more they put on there, questions-wise, the more you're apt to be overlooked. So call them directly, leave a message. They will always call you back if you leave a message. If a couple days go by and you still haven't received a call them again. Maybe they've lost your message, because think about it. It's not just 5 or 6 people calling. It could be hundreds of people calling. There's not just a couple of people, like 20 getting subscriptions. There are hundreds of people. So keep that in mind, because if you had anything to do with the people at Creative Notions, you know they try to return your call. They're really friendly. They're really nice. They go above and beyond to help all their customers. Okay? So let's go ahead and we're going to get into the patterns. You're supposed to say the word patterns.
I'm so sorry.
You're supposed to be finishing my sentences. That's what you're here for.
I was stuck on the part where there's not like 20 people. There are hundreds of people getting the subscription box. And like, oh my gosh, I didn't think of that.
Okay, so we have the subscriber box completion, and it is Angel Wings. This is absolutely beautiful. And I wish I could remember what this is called. Hard. This is a specific thing. I cannot think of it for the life of me.
Pattern.
Yeah, and I can't think of the name.
Like Tetris or something? That's what it looks like.
No. It's,
I'm just saying.
oh, yeah.
It looks like Tetris.
But here it is, and it is called Angel Wings Throw. And if you guys look at the way that these blocks are made, you'll know what I'm talking about. I just can't, Jesus. Some kind of fence, but I can't remember the name of it.
A fence?
Yeah. That's what
Like
it is.
fencing?
Fence, the word fence is in the pattern, before the wings, that is. If you were just to make it with all of those blocks like that. Okay, the 3 little blocks. I can't think of the name of it. I know everybody's going to know the name of it as soon as they see it.
And everybody who comments on the videos is going to say, this is what it is, Kathy. And, you're going to have 20 responses to what you can't remember.
I never can remember.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, I'm terrible at. I know there's
You
a
wanna do
wedding ring,
one of the block
and I
of the
know
month?
there's a log cabin, and then that's it. I'm out.
Rail fence. That's it. Okay, so for those that don't know, you make a rail fence with 3 strips, and they go, you have one go this way, and then one goes that way, and then one goes this way, and one goes that way. So this little square of 4 right there would be a rail fence. So that's what they used when they have these wings, which is just a darling. I think it's absolutely
She's
darling.
wanting me to pick her up. I know she.
Don't worry
she's been
about her.
Staring at me now. She's
All
got
right,
my
here,
feet
you're
staring
gonna do
at
that
me.
one.
The barn star quilt.
Yes, please.
What do you? I can't pick you up and read to. Well, I can, but I'm not going to. Mama said no. You don't need up here. Sorry.
Throw me under the bus. Do it. Go ahead. All right, what's your block of the month?
Barn Star Quilt, block of the month, Martha Washington Star. Unfinished size is 12.5 inch.
Okay.
Oh, wait. You gotta take them out of the plastic, otherwise it's a shiny glare. So, hang on just a second here.
Sometimes the light is your friend and sometimes it's not.
There you go. Okay, and that's the block of the month. It's very nice. It's in my favorite color.
Now, mine is called a corner star, and I have never seen that kind of design in it.
We're not ready for yours yet. Hang on a second.
Excuse me.
That's the back of it, like that.
I think that's a fluke on my paper.
And that. And then the back side is blank, and then that's it.
Okay.
You think it's a fluke?
I'm going to show you why I think it is. Okay, so mine here is the corner star. And this right here, I don't believe is in it. I think that's just a typo. When you get down to the bottom here and it shows, I can't see it.
No, I can't see it either.
There it is, and it does not show that in there.
No, it's probably a boo-boo.
That's what I said, a boo-boo.
No worries.
Okay, there you go. That's those
It's
two.
one of those Easter eggs, and it's, you know, a obvious Easter egg.
Alrighty, here you go.
For me, oh, you shouldn't have. I have nothing to give you. Woven labels, 16-piece, 4x4 designs, 100% polyester. And
there you go.
Can you see
And now
all
they
of them
look
in there?
backwards there, so you're going to have to read them.
Oh,
Do you see how they
look backwards? Well, they do, but I think it'll be the right way when you watch the video.
Okay.
But I'll read it. I mean, they say, Bon appetit, made with love, food for the soul, and live, love, eat. I like those.
And then we have another 3-inch magnet, which is the block of the month, and this is the Barn Stars magnet. Isn't that pretty?
Yes.
Okay. And this is manufactured by Sugar and Spice Textiles.
Oh,
all right.
I'm sorry. Should I have said that on this one too? Because it's also been manufactured by Sugar and Spice Textiles.
Okay, and then we have one 10-inch block. And then we have, let's open it and take it out of the paper. Our template, and it is for the Bow Cozy square curved corners. Let's back it up a little bit. There you go. And then we have pre-cut cotton batting. Because, you know, you got to use 100% cotton when you make a bow cozy. I don't even have a bow. I didn't bring a bow cozy up to show what they look like. I don't have any of them up here. They're all downstairs.
You don't have one up here?
Nope. I use them for soup and what?
There's one. No, that's a no. No, beans. Wrong bowl cozy. Wrong bowl.
And then I also use them for ice cream because they keep your
No, you
hands.
don't. You put the bowl in it and use it for your
meant.
ice cream bowl.
Well, I do the same thing for my soup. I put the bowl of soup in there.
I know.
All right. Oh, and now we have some fabulous fabric.
I was trying to see if you
Okay.
had a bowl up here. Like,
I don't
seriously.
have a bowl
No,
up
you
here,
don't have a bowl
honestly.
cozy.
But
Can't
let's-
believe that.
Let's do this fabric. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at this. Look, 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 look. Oh.
Oh, so
Little
pretty.
snowman. What are they carrying? Oh, and they got little cups of hot cocoa he's holding in his hand.
They got
Yes.
earmuffs on and top hats on, and there's a candy cane as a cane.
That's in blue, and here's one in gray. There you go. Would you like to show some? Or, I mean, you can pick some up. This is pretty.
You're doing such a good job.
And here we have some polka dots
I'm gonna
with
take it
pink
away from you.
and blue. And then we have the gray with the polka dots. Oops, I couldn't get a hold of that. There we go. That's nice. And then we have some really pretty snowflakes. I've seen this in dark blue fabric. That's pretty with the red.
Making you up, ma'am. I'm not. I know she really wants me to
I
put her
know.
on.
And this is just adorable. Look at that fabric right there. The candy cane, the candies. They look like little cherries.
You almost sound like you're gonna break out in song. Well, you know what song I'm thinking about when you said the candy cane, the way you said it? The candy man can.
There you go. That other one was upside down. This
What
one's
was that
right
all
side up.
from?
I don't know what show that was from. All right, now I'm going to lay it all out here so you guys can see all of it. And this was called Frosty Merry Mints.
Really?
Yeah, really. Let me tell you the office hours real quick. So the office hours this coming week, well, okay, so normally office hours are Monday through Thursday, 9 to 3. But this week they're going to be Monday and Tuesday because of the holiday. So they'll be off on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They start back up on Monday again next week. This is Thanksgiving week coming up. So they're only going to work 2 days. So if you need to leave a message, by all means, do it on Monday or Tuesday. Okay? That was that. And I'm going to lay everything down here so everybody can see it. Okay?
Quick question.
Yes, ask it.
Your template,
Uh-huh.
which you didn't put over on this pile, I don't know what you. Okay, I get that. And then you had your piece of fabric that goes with it, and you got your batting,
Right.
right? Where's the other piece of fabric?
Well, you'll have to choose another piece of fabric.
From your own stash?
Or cut a piece from here.
Well, no, you wouldn't want to cut a piece.
Because I use 2 pieces of fabric that are cotton.
Right.
I know that I did a, and I didn't use this template, but I did a example of a bow cozy. You guys can check that out on my channel. I showed how I make my bow cozy, so they're a little bit different than the way other people. And right now, instead of having points on the 4 corners, I have curves, and I like it better, I find, with the curves other than the points. I use a, I was going to say a chopstick, a knitting needle when I turn my corners. I use the bigger end of a knitting needle to push them out so that they come out.
Though.
Yeah, either one.
Yep.
Okay, let me lay it all out for y'all. All right, here is everything that came in the box. Excuse my bump, and I've got a dog underneath my feet. He does not want to move. You would think I'd been gone all day the way my dogs are acting. And here is the template. And as you notice, I'm going to pan in a little bit. Here, they did the curve on the, here on the corner, just like I do. So you have a choice between making it with the tip or the curve. There's all the fabric. I like that table topper. That's pretty neat. They fussy cut the snowman. This is the fabric. It's a little bit light gray. It looked more white in the box, but now that I'm looking at it, it's light gray. And here is the cotton batting. Alrighty. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment if you'd like, and I will see you next time. And thank you, Vicki, and all the helpers that put this box together. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.